Ever since we bought this car, it's been extremely stinky, and I have no idea why. This week, we finally get to fix that. We got some stuff to clean it. We have some new cabin air filters. We're gonna be taking everything in this car out, wiping it down, cleaning it, sanitizing it. I might try to go for the headliner, not 100%, but we're gonna try to go for everything we can. Carpet's gonna get cleaned. I mean, just literally everything you see is gonna get cleaned. Front and back seats are gonna be taken out. If I really had enough time, I probably would take the carpets out, but we're gonna go ahead and deal with what we got. I mean, we got some crustiness back here, so we're gonna get this all cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking the front seats out and working from there. And finally, after 15 to 20 minutes of messing with the stupid wires, this was the result. See, it's so dirty. I didn't even realize it. It's got sweat stains on there. Gross. But let's see what the last owner left for us here. Looks like we got a straw. Ooh, money. Dirty, just as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it's like a 20-year-old car. So clean this side up and do the other side. Look at that. Blech. Gross. I'm gonna take the other side out now. All right, I just got the passenger side taken out. Looks like we got a little bit more goodies over here. French fry, LaCroix, a baggie, a little tiny hair clip. But other than that, just your standard dirt. So we're gonna go ahead and tack that. The rear seats I do want to take out, so I think I'm gonna take those out as well. Those need some love, or I might just leave it back there and just wet vacuum it back there. But so far, I just need to get all this dirt cleaned up. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and attack this right now. This was one part I was dreading on doing. I hope it's not filthy. No rats or nothing. Ugh, no bugs. Hope it's just leaves and dirt. Huh? I don't think it's supposed to be making that kind of noise, but it's definitely dirty. It's supposed to be making that kind of noise? I don't know. I've actually never replaced one on a car before. Oh, I think it is that. Oh, that side stinks. Alright, that's in there, right? Is it this? Oh, it might be. After doing the cabin air filter, I decided to work on the seats. I wanted to see if I was able to get the sweat stains out. I went ahead and started vacuuming it and tried to get as much dirt off of it as possible, so when I spray it and use the brush, I'm not just moving dirt around. Then after that, I decided to take a little break, because who doesn't need a break every once in a while, am I right? Some of this fabric cleaner in there. Got my drill ready, and I'm just pretty much just gonna get all the parts that are nasty. I'm really hoping to get all the stench on it. I'm telling you, I don't know what it is, but it's gross. When I first started this, I didn't know if I was doing it right, only because it wasn't getting as foamy as some of the videos that I saw, so I couldn't tell if I was doing it right. So I decided to just spray a lot of it on there and hoping that I was doing it right. I know it's a little hard to tell, but you can kind of see where I was wiping it at. Thought it doesn't help. Yeah. Moving over to the interior, I kind of wanted to try to use this on this. I'm gonna put the camera down. We'll do a one hand here. I know it's hard to tell on camera, but this was a freshly cleaned microfiber, and it's all a bit dirty now. How do you see that way? Dirty, clean. Just from doing this alone. So I'm gonna hit it with one more pass. There was like a little flat spot right here from the arm sitting there. So I'm gonna do it one more time and it should be good from there. As I'm starting to lose sunlight here, I'm pretty much gonna stop where I am. So what we got done today, we took the seats out, front seats out. I still need to vacuum the inside, which I'll do tomorrow. I need to wet vacuum that, which Brian should have me one tomorrow because I know he has one. We also cleaned one of the seats. See how that comes out tomorrow. I'm probably gonna redo it again and wet vacuum it anyways. And then his thing's also a steamer, so I kind of want to get in these little nooks and crannies in there and kind of get this thing perfectly mint. Because I didn't get to do this to my last one, but we're gonna do it to this one. We're gonna make it look nice and fresh. But we'll pick it up tomorrow and see what we get done tomorrow. I just recorded this and my file got corrupted, or I stopped recording halfway through. So welcome back to day 2 of recording this video. Technically, like I said, yesterday was day 2. I already vacuumed this side, as you guys can see. That side I didn't touch just because I only had like an hour work on this thing, so didn't have much time yesterday, so I didn't really film much. But today we have a lot more time, so what I'm going to be doing is finishing up the floors here, and then I need to get to the back seats. I do have the wet vacuum here. It's actually in the trunk of the Tesla. But if you guys don't remember, we're doing Vlogmas this year, so I'm trying to make as much videos as I can. So we got to attack this as fast as we can. So what I'm going to be doing is actually switching to the head-mounted GoPro and cleaning it that way, and making the rest of the video that way. So I'm going to switch over to the GoPro now, and we're just going to attack this car. This is what we got to work with. So let's get to work, boys. If you're wondering too, the smell hasn't gotten any better. Alright, we got the steam cleaner thingy-majiggy, and shout out to Brian for lending me this. It's literally brand new. He hasn't even used it yet. We used to have one, but I don't know where it went. So, shout out to Brian again. Alright, I'm gonna go fill this up. We're going to soak the floor, not soak it, but spray it with the chemical guy stuff, clean it, and then use this right after. All right, got pretty much everything vacuumed up. Now I'm going to be going through with the stuff from chemical guys here. Go with the brush. Then once I'm all done, I'm going to use the wet vacuum that I got right here set up already, and we're going to use that. So let's go ahead and get this all sprayed up. Just the first pass, and that's how much dirt we got. Pretty gross, but 20-year-old car nearly. We're gonna go ahead and move on with the rest of the car. I'll see you guys in just a bit. This is gonna be my favorite part probably of this whole video, getting this stain out. I don't know what it is, but should be kind of fun to get it out. All right, let's do this. All right, this side is all done. As you guys can see, it looks a lot better. Still needs to dry, and still need to see what needs to still come out, but for the most part, this side looks pretty good. Keep in mind, again, nearly 20-year-old car, so it's not going to be perfect. Obviously, all the Alcantara suede or whatever, it's going to be a little chewed up, but it is what it is. As long as we can get the stench out of here, that's what I'm most worried about. So far I'm making good progress. I'm going to move over to that side and knock that side out real quick. Alright, I'm pretty much done with the extractor part of the video. I just did the driver's side off camera, and that's what came out. Absolutely disgusting. But now I just need to wipe everything down in the interior that I wet, and then I gotta wet extract these, which I might save that for the next video. I don't know. And then the outside of this car needs to wash itself, so I'm pretty much gonna just go through, wipe everything down that I can't reach when the seats are in, and then once the seats are in and extracted and dry, I'll be able to get all the door panels and stuff. But so far so good. I'm super excited on how this is coming out.
That's gross.
And that's only the driver's side. But yeah, extraction part's done. Just wipe everything down, and then the seats will get done next. Alright, I was gonna save the seats for the next day, but since I got some sunlight, I might as well go ahead and get the seats done. So I'm gonna be doing the seats. I already wetted down with the chemical gas solution. Now I just need to scrub it and then use the extractor on it. Alright, I got both seats done. I'm gonna let those dry overnight, and then the interior is gonna dry overnight as well. So essentially what I'm gonna do is let them dry. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back, put the seats in, and then give this car a whole wash tomorrow. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, not too bad. Just really hoping to get the smell out of here. That's what I'm really hoping for. Let's see. I can't really tell if it's working. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, we'll pretty much just figure out what's going on from there. But for the most part, I mean, everything's pretty fire. Pretty excited with how it came out. Seats should be good tomorrow. They'll probably be a little moist still, but that extractor helped a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna clean everything up. This garage is a mess. It was kind of clean before I started this, and now it's all dirty. So clean this up, and then I will see you guys in the next one.